bitch. You need to get your wig redone. Fuck you. Fuck that bitch, slap that hoe. Fuck that bitch, kidnap that hoe. Fuck that bitch, put your fingers round her throat. Fuck that bitch and just choke, choke, choke. I hate bitches, but I love pussy. Cause they talk shit and they try to push me. Had a deaf hoe, thought she was the right one. Cause she couldn't talk, but the bitch kept writing. Note after note, complaining about my lifestyle. But sound like, when I put the pipe down. So I wrote, get the fuck out right now. And slap the bitch with last night's lifestyle. I'm an equal opportunity asshole. Handicapped or not, I treat the bitch like the last hoe. And fuck a lasso, cuffs and duct tape. I'm handing out razors, so bitch get your ducks straight. Tried to fuck my homie, fuck that bitch. Can't make no macaroni, fuck that bitch. Thought I was a punk, fuck that bitch. So I put her in the trunk, fuck that bitch.
Murder Mike bitch said she had a friend. She said she wanted to kick.
Nigga, call her then.
Talked to her for a second, said she looked like shot that. Bitch came through flat top like Kwame. But she said that the pussy was Bombay. Pull her panties down and it looked like a omelet. I said, bitch, your duck's been scrambled. And damn, them titties in shambles. So I told her to get.
Nigga, stop lying. You was on the couch beating that bitch.
Okay, I fucked, but the pussy was bumped. So I slapped her with my dick through the bitch in the trunk.
Fuck that bitch, slap that hoe. Fuck that bitch,
Kidnap that hoe.
fuck that bitch.
Put your fingers round her throat.
Fuck that bitch,
Just choke, choke, choke.
She tried to fuck my homie.
Fuck that bitch.
Can't make no macaroni.
Man, fuck that bitch.
Hair came from a pony.
Fuck that bitch.
Pussy look like baloney.
Man, fuck that bitch.
Man, fuck that bitch.
Which bitch?
Nigga, that thick
That
bitch.
big bitch.
Nah, nigga, not her. Nigga, that rich bitch.
Oh, I thought you was talking about that broke hoe.
Hell nah, but motherfuck her too, though. Both of them get the dick.
Why, nigga?
Cause they both bitches and bitches ain't shit.
For what?
Wet hoe for my pole, fuck a hoe. Only good for cleaning up and getting my dick swole. Bitch said she was on the pill, but popped up pregnant. Turned out the pill was Benadryl. So I told her to pop 6, cause I know the bitch alert.